Hello lovely viewers, and welcome back to my balcony as I show you how to make a simple gluten-free cake, as well as share with you my favorite topping that the whole family loves. It's super light and I would like to just add a little bit of variation also, and I'm super glad to have to introduce the family and the kids to this sort of topping because it's just gentle, it's light, it's easy, it's simple, and it's also healthy. So I'm making sure to decorate the cake simply, as well as ensure that I slowly introduce the minerals, the vitamins that the whole family will need, especially focusing on the omega-3 and as well as the essential fatty acids. So we'll top this gluten-free cake. I will insert the exact recipe in the description box below this video, so if you want to have a look at that after the video, feel free to. So first of all, I'm starting with a gluten-free cake base, and I have used some walnut butter, of which I've made at home, and as soon as it's baked and ready to go, I just simply took it out in the balcony to cool off a little bit, and then I will be topping it off with a simple gentle spread of honey, the organic honey, as you can see here. And for the topping, I'm just going to focus on gentle colors and also benefits in the topping itself. So first of all, as you can see here, I'm drizzling some organic honey on the top, just to serve as a extra healthy sweetener, and also to be more like glue for the topping, of which I will place here. And I will also be topping this along with the honey with some crushed pumpkin seeds. Absolutely amazing. If you don't have pumpkin seeds, you can use whatever nuts that you feel free to and that you're not allergic to. So it's absolutely beautiful. I usually use the pumpkin seeds in exchange for pistachios if I don't have pistachios on hand. And I love the green color, as you can see here. It's absolutely beautiful. And let's not forget that pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc. They're rich in the essential fatty acids that are required for immune health, that are required for brain health and brain development, and also for stomach and digestion. Pumpkin seeds are actually really perfect for maintaining the digestive system, as well as helping to nourish the body and give it the essential fatty acids. On top of that, I'm also emphasizing the rosy theme by adding some dried, crushed rose powder. These roses I've harvested myself, and I've dried them and made them into a powder, so they have that extra special touch to it, and it looked absolutely fabulous. And to be honest, I would prefer cakes like that with as simple minimalistic touch to them, rather than the whole, the whole over-the-top design and extra frosting and stuff. I know every cake has its own occasion and theme and stuff, but I would prefer it that way, and I'm glad that I introduced the family to it, because there won't be that extra demand for over-the-top cakes that are filled with sugar and filled with just excessive fat from cream and so forth. So this is a gentle recipe. It's super versatile. You can change it whatever you want. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, share and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Take care and have an amazing, great day. Bye bye.